Hi all. Welcome to bacareers, business analysis for beginners. In this video, let us observe what is requirement and types of requirements. What is requirement? Requirement is a need of the customer. Business analyst's primary role is to understand the needs of a customer and provide software solutions to meet the customer expectation. By seeing the description of the requirement, we can say that gathering requirements are very easy. But in the real scenario, it is very difficult to gather and understand the client requirements. Because every business channel has their own requirements and organization requirements may differ and end user requirements may differ. Requirements may differ in individual point of view. For example, consider a few of the different points of view that may exist about a proposed business solution. An executive may provide the overall vision of what a solution should do but leave the implementation details to others. The business unit owner may provide requirements about specific capabilities that a solution should enable. A business user, that is, the day-to-day user of the solution, may have ideas about what the user interface of the solution should look like. An enterprise architect wants to ensure that the solution meets the organization's technical standards, approved technologies, and technology roadmap. The technical architect or developer must know what data sources, platforms, software, and methods to use. Since there are different points of view about a solution, there are also different kinds of requirements. Each kind describes a different aspect of a solution. Types of requirements defines how the project is supposed to be created and implemented. 1. Project requirements. 2. Business requirements. 3. Functional requirements. 4. System requirements or non-functional requirements. Now let us discuss one by one in detail. Project requirements, which provides the conditions of the tasks that should be completed for a project. It also defines the scope of the project, with respect to the stakeholder, and gives a clear picture for evaluating the quality of a project. Once project requirements are in hand, then business analyst needs to concentrate on business requirements. Business requirements. Business needs. It describes the purpose of the project. Business goals or objectives that stakeholders are trying to achieve. It defines the stakeholders' needs and wants. It defines what is required to achieve the business goals. Identifies the business problems or opportunities. Ensure each requirement has a stakeholders and SMEs, subject matter expert. Functional requirements. Functional requirements define functionality of the system and describes external behavior of the application and expected deliverables, that is, functionality of the application. It defines how the application will work and what input values the application should accept. And it should display the output as the client expected during gathering of the requirements. And what values system should store. System requirements or non-functional requirements. These requirements will be taken care of by the technical team, as how the application will interact with the system hardware, such as operating speed, response time, and accessibility and security. Usually in an interview, they may ask you what are requirements and types of requirements and what are non-functional requirements. What is requirement is a simple question but difficult to understand and difficult to explain during the interview. Please prepare some content or story before attending the interview. I hope it helped you to provide an overview on what is requirement in software and types of requirements. If I miss out anything, please mention in comments, so that it helps us to cover in coming videos. You can click on the link below to get more articles. Happy learning. All the best. If you like this video, please